Adjust the rubber ring on a twist and set flange by seating it fully on the pipe and rotating the flange until you feel firm resistance and the gap closes. Start by removing the toilet and cleaning the spigot and flange area thoroughly so dirt does not prevent a snug seal. Choose the correct size rubber ring or gasket for the pipe diameter and slide it onto the pipe with the tapered edge facing the flange. The taper helps compress the ring uniformly. Lubricate the outer surface of the ring lightly with water or a silicone-based lubricant to allow smooth rotation without degrading the rubber. Push the ring forward until it contacts the flange lip, then hold the pipe steady and rotate the twist flange body clockwise to engage and compress the ring evenly around the circumference. Work in small increments, checking for even compression by running your finger around the ring to feel for gaps and by observing the ring profile to ensure it is not bulging out in one spot. Finish by reinstalling the toilet snugly and test for leaks by pouring water into the bowl and feeling around the base for moisture and resistance when rotating the flange to confirm the seal is stable. Common mistakes include underseating the ring, which leaves a visible gap and causes leaks. Correct this by fully pushing the ring forward until it contacts the flange lip before twisting. Over-twisting or forcing the flange can deform the rubber and create weak spots. Stop when you feel uniform resistance and inspect for even compression rather than continuing to tighten. Using the wrong-sized ring or a dry, unlubricated gasket often prevents proper seating. Always verify pipe diameter, select the matched ring, and apply a light lubricant so the ring can rotate and compress without tearing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we and others share practical tips on flange installation and other projects. We help contractors find work by listing opportunities and allowing them to engage with homeowners and the community.